the quintessential style of West Coast America, has crossed the Atlantic, as the Ford Mustang California Special arrives in Europe for the first time. Embodying the free-spirited ethos of the 1968 original, the new California Special is offered exclusively in convertible body style, with a folding soft top for classic looks and open-air thrills. A special edition design package with unique badging, detailing, 19-inch alloy wheels, and special color shift California Special decals delivers distinctive style, and Ford's charismatic 450 PS V8 petrol engine provides the power for effortless cruising. The 5.0-liter Ford the Fifth 8 engine, delivering 450 horsepower and 529 Nm of torque, provides the performance and soundtrack befitting a special edition Mustang. Combined with Ford's 6-speed manual transmission, featuring rev-matching technology for seamless gear changes and an even sportier character, the model accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.8 seconds. Advanced 10-speed automatic transmission delivers 4.5 seconds from 0 to 100 km/h acceleration. Inside, the Mustang California Special is designed to help liberate all the fun of the open road whatever the weather, with bespoke California Special detailing adding exclusive appeal. Standard comfort technologies include heated and cooled front seats, a 12-inch customizable instrument cluster, and advanced Sync 3 connectivity that enables drivers to call up their favorite road trip soundtrack or find directions to the nearest beach using just their voice. The newest interpretation, available only as a folding soft-top convertible, in homage to the famously Mediterranean-like climate of the Golden State, reflects the original with a honeycomb front grille, finished in ebony black and featuring a GTCS badge in race red, as well as lower side stripes finished in black, red and gray. Incorporating GTCS logos, the stripes run from the front to rear wings and feature a hidden California Special script that is almost invisible in low light conditions, but becomes much more prominent in stronger sunlight. Like the original, aerodynamic enhancements hint at V8 performance, with a larger front splitter and optional rear side air scoops. At the rear, a California Special faux filler cap sits above quad tailpipes. Unique 5-spoke alloy wheels add to the exclusivity. 9 exterior colors include signature grabber blue and cyber orange, contrasting with the black roof that folds to transform the coupe profile into a sleek convertible in 8 seconds. Standard driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, with pre-collision assist, and lane keeping alert, help make everyday driving less demanding, with the ultimate in stress relief provided by the folding roof, creating unlimited headroom.